We got the new Minecraft Happy Meal. Woohoo! They have these cool little accessory pop-outs. So the bee now can sense his surroundings with his antennae, and then the pink sheep. Come on. Okay, maybe the other side. Yeah, there we go. We got one ear. He can only hear from one ear. Let's start with the bee. Yeah, let's just open his insides. Yummy. So we have some nice little fries. We have some little bee apple slices, casual burger, and what toy? You guys get to see first. Oh, the bee. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. So I guess he could just fly around while he's on his honey splatter. Now let's see what the pink sheep has to offer. Open its insides once again. Same stuff. Let's see the toy. I wonder what could be in here. Cool. Now they're twins.